Yeah. Hi guys. Good evening, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me, guys. Anyone? Can you please confirm? Is I'm audible, guys?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Sir,
So,
you
guys,
are
like
100% audible, sir.
right. Thank you. Okay. So guys, let's continue from the last session. And just before starting with the session, guys, some people has asked me about the what we can say is about the record the demo videos. Just they want to go through that particular demo videos. I already explained you in the last session that I'm going to again anyhow I'm going to take a demo once again in the coming classes. But meanwhile, guys, if anyone has joined this week, that means who has been joined now. So I'm sharing the link here, guys. The link is there here, so you can see they have uploaded 4 videos into the YouTube. So the YouTube link I'm giving you guys. So you can see the sessions, guys. So this is first session, this is second, and this is third, and this is the fourth, guys. So I'm sharing the link here, guys. Just the link of this particular sessions I'm giving you. So you can just get that particular link. Otherwise, my backend team also will share you. Just give me a second. I will share the link here, guys. Just give me a second. You will have multiple links will be there because for every batch there will be demos will be there. Every batch recordings will be there. So that's the reason. Just give me a second. I will share you that recording videos, guys. Just give me a second. Yep. So this is a link, guys. So 4 videos are there. You can just go through that 4 videos, guys, and you can get some kind of an idea about those particular sessions, guys. Okay. I'm sharing the link here in the chat window. So if anyone wants, you can just click on the link, save the link, guys, and you can just click on the link and you can get the list here, guys. There are 4 recording videos are there for the demo sessions. You guys can go through those particular recording videos, guys. Okay. Fine. Right, guys. So let's continue from the last session, guys. So anyone? So in the last session, what we are currently discussing, guys, what is the topic we discussed yesterday? Anyone? What is the last class topic, guys? We have discussed in the last session. We started with a concept called as, yes, guys, anyone? What is the topic we covered in the last session? Okay, it is nothing but comprehensions. It is actually not list comprehensions. It is basically what we are going to call it as comprehensions,
List
guys. Yes, absolutely. So what
tuples.
is the comprehensions basically used for, guys? A comprehensions are basically used to create one object from another, creating one Python object from another Python object by performing some kind of an manipulations. So for that, I explained you one scenario, guys. So like whenever I have a list is there, so I have explained you some whenever I have a list is there, I want to perform some operation on that particular list of values. So like yesterday we discussed it again, once again, I'm telling about, let us say some numbers, it may be a sequence of numbers or random numbers, does not matter. Directly we cannot, this is what we call it as a list object, guys. We cannot perform any operations directly on the list. That means directly if you said x square like this, it does not allows, guys. Why? Because this square is an operator which can be done only between two numbers only. But this is a list and this is a number or integer which is not allowed. So that's why what we have to do, guys, one by one element we have to get it and square it and we have to do, guys. So for that quickly, yesterday we have been discussed about, guys, for I in x. So where I is going to represent each value of x, I want to return I square. So just if you put it in the square brackets, guys, it returns a list. That's why we are going to call it as a list comprehension, what we call it as. So we can create list comprehensions. We can create set comprehensions, guys. Set comprehensions are nothing but the comprehensions which are going to return a list, which enclosed within curly braces. Same syntax as it is. It is going to be set comprehension. But difference is the order will not be maintained, guys. The same order will not be maintained. In list, the order will be maintained, guys. What is the order you will get, guys? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Exactly, we are squaring the numbers. So we'll get the same order. But here, we don't get the same order. And there is a one more option is there. That is a dictionary object I told you guys. Same curly braces, I used something called as an I colon I square. That means it is going to show you what is the key, what is the value. 1, 1 square, 1, 2, 2 square, it is 4. 3, it is going to be 3 square, 9. 4 square, it is going to be 16. 5 square, which is going to be 25. 6 square, which is going to be 36. Like this, we are going to get the dictionary object. See guys, it is a dictionary object guys. It is a list object. This one is a list object guys. And this is going to be same thing whenever it is enclosed within curly braces, it is called as a set object, what we can call it as guys. So these are the topics which we covered and which discussed in the last session guys. So today also we are going to continue with the same discussion in the comprehensions only guys, but just a small extension to that comprehensions I'll discuss about this. Okay, now have a look into that. Let us take an example of n which is going to be nothing but yes, it is compulsory guys. As a which one? Colon, which case you are talking about the colon? Are you talking about the list colon you are talking about, Ram? Are you talking about the list colon? Yes, dictionary, it is compulsory. Absolutely. The value should be the key and value. Dictionary is going to be in the format of key, comma, colon value. Again, it is going to be key, comma. It is going to be, let us say key 1, key 2, and we have to write it as a value. So how the dictionary will be there? It is in the format of which is going to be key and a value pair. So like this, we have to write it. So must and should, we have to write a colon here now. That then only we'll get a dictionary. Otherwise, you don't get a dictionary object. Okay, fine. So now today what we are going to do guys, same example, but with a small change. Let us say that I'm going to take some x is equal to some random numbers will take it guys. 13, let us going to be 6, let us say 8, okay, 15 and something like 24, and let us say it is going to be 17 and some 20 and some, let us say 26 guys. Concept is same concept with a small extension guys. So what is the idea here is same technique. I want to square only the even numbers. I want to square them guys. I don't want to square the odd numbers. Then what shall I do guys? Normally, how do you do that? Yesterday we discussed the example guys. I declared one empty list called as a y because I want to put all these values into the y object here now. So what we have to do guys? For I in x. Normally, how do you write it guys? For I in x. First time I will represent the first value. But I have to check whether it is a even number or odd number. So now you can understand guys, what is the purpose of indentation? You can easily understand that. Inside the first statement, I'm writing if statement guys. I'll show you practically guys. If I percentile 2 is equivalent to 0, see guys, under the for there is an if is there, one indent. Under the if, I'm writing the another one guys. It is nothing but y dot append. See guys, there are two tabs will be there. Two indentations are there. Why there are two indentations guys? Because it is inside the if. This if is inside the for. So if will have one indent and the y dot append is going to be having, which is going to be two appends guys, the two indents, which is going to be I square. That what it is going to do is guys, it will take the first value, check whether the I percentile 2, percentile, right? It remainder is equal to 2. Then only you append it to the y guys. Then output is going to be coming as, I'm not writing exactly guys, 13 square will not be done guys. 16 square will be done, that is 36. 8 square will be done, which is 64 guys. 24 is going to be done, I think 576 guys. And after that 20 will be done, which is going to be 400. And the remaining values guys, whatever the values are there, it is going to be done. Something like this, the way which it is going to be gets done is going to be something, the way which we have to do something like this application guys. So instead of writing these many statements, guys, this can be replaced with comprehensions. Don't think that comprehensions can contain only first statements only guys. It can contain, yesterday whatever we have written is the only comprehensions with first statement. Now it is going to be for with a if statement guys. How do you write a for with a if statement guys? This is a way we have to write it guys. This is a way we have to write in guys. What we have to write in guys? For variable in what is going to be in iterable, same concept guys. See the syntax. For the variable in the iterable guys, and we have to write the if condition here all in a single line guys. No need to put this to one colon here, one tab space, one indent, one other indent. No need of all these things guys. Directly for variable in iterable object, if condition and whatever you want to return guys. Same technique, same process. If you put square brackets, you will get a list comprehension. If you put a curly braces, you will get a set comprehension. If you put a curly braces with key and value pair, you will get a dictionary comprehension. But what is happening here is this expression, whatever it is performing here or whatever it is returning here, is only when this condition is equal to true, guys. If the condition satisfied, if the condition is true, then only it is going to return this expression 1. That means instead of writing like this, guys, y equal to empty list for in one statement, if in one line y dot append, instead of writing like this, guys, directly what we can do is, guys, what directly we can do here is simple, guys, y equal to simple, guys, directly write like this for I in x. For I in x, if I percentile is equal to I percentile 2 is equivalent to 0, I want to return I square. Done, guys, over. Single line statement, guys. So this kind of lot of options will be available in Python, guys. This type of shortcuts will be available. For I in the x, okay, get each and every value of the x, check whether it is going to be, if whether it is percentile equal to percentile 2 is equivalent to 0. If this condition is true, then I want to return which is going to be I square. That means only whenever it is a even number, then only we are going to calculate that particular square of the numbers, guys. Then obviously some of you will get a doubt. Sir, how about the if and else if statement? Can you write if and else if statement? Yes, that also we can write in, guys. For example, let us say that I'll show you practically, guys. Same example, I'm repeating it, guys, but with a small change. Even number should be squared, guys. Even should be squared, and the odd should be, which is going to be cubed. Odd should be cubed, guys. That means to the power of 3, and even should be to the power of 2, guys. How do you write it, guys? Same technique. For example, if I write a traditional way, you have to write like this, guys. Create an empty list, guys. Then after that, very easy. For I in the x variable, we have to write like this, guys. For I in the x variable, we have to write it. Then what we have to do, we all of you know that if I percentile 2, if that is, sorry, I percentile 2 is equivalent to 0, then I have to say y dot append of, which is going to be nothing but I square. Else. It is going to be else, guys. How to write the else part, guys? Else must be written here, guys. If should be written with one indent, else must be written with one indent. Y should be, y dot append should be written with two indents, guys. Why? Because y dot append should be done under the if. If is going to be under the for, guys. So level is going to be, for statement does not have any indent. If statement will have one indent, y dot append will contain another indent, guys. If you write only one indent here, guys, this y dot append will become under the for statement, guys. It does not comes under the if statement. Completely changes, guys. That's why we have to write this indent. Else what we have to do, it is y dot append of, which is going to be I cube, guys. That means finally, if you print the value of y, guys, what you can find out here is all even numbers, you can find the square, and for all odd numbers, it is going to be, you can see that cube. So instead of writing these many statements, again, this many write for y, for if y dot append, okay, else y dot append I cube, and this, instead of writing all these things, guys, directly we can write in a single statement also we can write. Only for statements we can write, guys. For statement with if statements we can write. For statement with if and else if statements also we can write it. But a small correction, guys. Say this is the way, guys. For variable in whatever the iterable object is there, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll write here, guys, because the space is not sufficient. I'll write here, guys. Just give me a second. This is a way, guys. For whatever the variable in whatever the iterable object is there, the variable in whatever that particular iterable object is there, guys. And here what I'm going to do, guys, see, if you want to write only if statement, see the syntax carefully, guys. If you want to write only if statement without the else part, if statement should be written after the for. If you want to write if and else if statement, guys, then we have to write like this, guys. If condition, that means if the condition is true, I want to return expression 1. If the condition is true, you have to perform this operation, guys. Else, then it is going to be expression 2. That means if the condition is false, then we have to write this particular else part like this. Again, same technique, guys. Again, same technique, square brackets or curly braces, whatever you want to return, guys. So only for statements can be written with the, which is going to be only for statements can be converted into comprehensions, guys. And it is going to be for with a, which is going to be for plus if. That also we can write it by using comprehensions. For with, which is going to be if and else if statement, that also we can write it by using comprehensions. Not only that, guys, whenever you want to write multiple for statements also, we can go for the comprehensions, but up to that level is not required for ourselves, guys. In data science, we don't require that much complex the notations we need not to write in, guys. Very basic level notations only. For with a if statement, only for statement, for with a if and else statement, we have to write it, guys. So already yesterday we have seen how to replace the first statement with a comprehension. So today I'll show you how to do these particular examples, guys. Okay. So let me show you some examples, guys. Just give me a second. So let me start with my Jupyter notebook also, guys. Let me start with the Jupyter notebook. Just a minute, it will start up, guys. Just a minute, it will take some few seconds of time and it will start up. Automatically, it will start up, guys. You need not to do anything. So just it is going to be an home page will come like this. Automatically, guys, everything will come. So yesterday I have shared you the files now, guys. Same as it is. Today I'm going to create a new notebook, guys. I'm creating a new notebook. See, every class there will be some notebook will be there, guys. For example, today morning, so 11 o'clock there was a class was there. So today's date is going to be 8th, right? So if you can see 8/10/2024, it is going to be 11 a.m. class, guys. Just I'm showing you. So already they almost all completed the machine learning, guys. So these are going to be this. There will be little bit lengthy syntaxes will be there, guys. So don't worry. In your class also we'll discuss about all those particular application, guys. So nothing matters. So this is going to be how the calculations has been done, guys. But if you observe carefully, I didn't written all of them in a single line of code, guys. So maximum, if we can see, guys, some libraries are imported. I'm reading the data from a CSV file. Some X and Y is separated. It's a kind of a splitting of training and testing. And this is going to be the model, which is going to be model training. And after that, we make the model to predict it and accuracy, how the confusion matrix is built. What is the accuracy of the score? What is going to be balanced accuracy of the score? Those we are calculating here, guys. So don't worry, we'll see that applications in your class also. We'll have a look into that. Okay, new. I think I opened a new notebook already, right? This is a new notebook. So what I'm going to do, guys, same, which is going to be, I'll say 08/10/2024. It is going to be 9:30 p.m. It is going to be what we are going to say that it is also the same comprehensions topic only, guys. It is going to be comprehensions. Okay. So quickly, guys, I'll do one thing once again. X is equal to any random numbers you can take in, guys. I'll show you once again. 5, 2, it is going to be 15, 24, 33, let us say 57, 27, which is going to be 80, let us say 45 and something around 51, it is going to be somewhere. You can give any random numbers, guys, 31, or we can give something like 25, you can give. So like this, I just given some random numbers, guys. Directly, I can't perform x square. This is not allowed directly, guys. You can't perform the operation. It looks to be very powerful, as I told you, guys. List object appears to be very powerful, but actually list objects are not that much powerful, guys. So there are only basic level operations, guys. Very, very basic level operations only they will do. Okay, print the value of x if you want. Print it x value, guys. If you have any doubt, ask it. What is the type of the x? Because here, if you observe carefully, guys, like other programming language, maybe some of you have got a doubt, guys. Sir, like other programming languages, we are not declaring any variable. So Python is a dynamically typed language, guys. So the feature of Python is going to be what we call it as dynamically typed language. So what is the dynamically typed language means nothing but, guys, that we need not to declare any variable, guys. We need not to declare any variable, guys. We can just use that particular variable. Python decides the data type, guys, according to the value whatever you are given. For example, if I give integer value, Python automatically chooses it as an integer value, guys. It automatically decides. If I give a list of values, it will take it as a list. If I give a key value pair representation, it will take it as a dictionary. Like this, Automatically based on that particular data type only, automatically it is going to chooses the appropriate data type it is going to take in, guys. So this is what basically this concept of application is going to be working with this, guys. Just a minute. Right. So that's why what we are going to do, guys. Yesterday, how we have been done this example, guys. Direct, straightforward, guys. No need of writing any other thing. Directly for I in the x variable. For each value of I, x, then I am going to say that it is going to be I square. Directly in a single statement, guys. Generally, in other languages, we don't have it, guys. It is going to be y. Directly, we'll get the what is the list of values, guys. This is again a list, guys. If we put it in curly braces, we'll get a set. Otherwise, we can give a key and value pair. Let us show the example, guys. I want to square only the even numbers only. I don't want to square the odd numbers, guys. So what shall I do now? Y equal to empty list. Normally, how do you do it, guys? Y equal to just an empty list, guys. And what I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to normal traditional way, guys. For I in the x, this is the way we have to write in, guys. See that? When you put a colon and say enter, automatically indent will come, guys. Then what shall I do now? It is going to be if I percentile 2 is equivalent to 0. See, guys? This is again one more indent is come. If you don't write the indent, guys, it will come inside the first statement, not inside the if statement, guys. Then you get a different output, guys. Different result will come, guys. If you want, you can check it out, guys. If I percentile 2 is equivalent to 0, if it is an even number, then y dot append of directly I can say I square, guys. Else I don't want to do anything. Come outside of the first statement, print the value of y, guys. Only even number scares only we can see, guys. Only 3 even numbers, guys. So 2 is a even number, 24 is a even number, 80 is a even number. Only 3 are there, guys. Remaining all are odd numbers only. 4, 576 and 6400. Only there are going to be 3 even numbers, remaining all are odd numbers, guys. So now how to replace this with a comprehension concept, guys? No need of writing this many lines of code, guys. Y equal to directly, guys, for I in the x. As I said that now, guys, if I percentile 2 is equivalent to 0, we always have to follow the same syntax, guys. So if you want to write only first statement, write the first statement, guys. If you want to write for with a if statement, guys, for after that we have to write a if. If you want to write for with a if and else if statement, guys, first we have to write if and else if statement, and then we have to write the first statement, guys. See, guys, only just one line of code. Print the value of y, guys. Only one line of code, guys. Same result, same application as it is, guys. No difference. For I in x, if I percentile 2 equal to 0, don't try to write here, guys. If you write it on the left hand side, it will expect a else part, guys. For example, if you can try it, guys. Don't think that, sir, wherever you write it, it does not make any difference, guys. Execute it. Can you see, guys? Expected else after the if expression. After writing the if expression, guys, it is expecting an else part. That's why what we have to do that. We have to write after the first statement, we have to write in, guys. Same concept, I'm repeating one more time, guys. Even numbers need to be squared, odd numbers need to be cubed, guys. Same logic, same application, but what I'm going to do, guys. This is the way I'm going to do, guys. Small change, guys. It is going to be else part. It is going to be else. What shall I write, guys? It is going to be y dot append of, which is going to be I cube. This is the way how it is going to work, guys. So even numbers are going to be squared, odd numbers are going to be cubed, guys. So we can see very clearly, guys. 25 square. It's 25 square. Sorry. It is 5 cube, guys. Sorry. It is first number is 5 now, guys. It is 5 cube. It is 2 square, guys. So and these are all going to be only this one, and this one are even numbers, guys. Remaining all are odd numbers. They have been cubed, guys. They have been completely cubed. But how do you write the same example by using which is going to be comprehension concept, guys? Simple. Y equal to nothing but what we can do is, guys, same syntax, same application. For I in the x value. So what shall I write, guys? If I percentile 2, if that is equivalent to 0, then I want to return I square. Else I want to return, which is going to be nothing but I cube, guys. But there is one small problem is there here, guys. Which one is square, which one is cube? You are unable to identify that. We can do it, guys. This is an even number, this is an even number, and this is an even number, guys. Remaining all of them are odd numbers. But which number cube it is? Which number square it is? Okay, this one is 80, guys. We know that this one is 24, this one is 2. But what is this number? This number is cube of what number? This number is cube of what number? So what we can do, guys? I suggest is dictionary, key and value pair, guys. Same small correction, guys. Put the I value and put the I square value, guys. Put the I square. That means it is going to return I colon either I square or either I cube. It is going to return like this, guys. Check it out. What is the value of V, guys? See there? Clearly, we can see a very beautiful structure, guys. Pi, which is going to be cube, guys. This is 2 square, guys. 15 cube, guys. 24 square. 33 cube. 57 cube. 27 cube. 80 square. 45 cube. 51 cube. 31 cube. 25 cube. Done, guys. Done, guys. That is the way the usefulness of this particular dictionary object, guys. Directly, we don't use dictionaries directly, guys. We may not use directly the tuples. We may not use directly the list. But these are the indirect ways where we can use these tuples, list, dictionaries, and all these things in a different way. We are going to use it, guys. So normal first statement was replaced. Normal first statement was replaced by the comprehension, guys. If and else if statement is also replaced by the comprehension, guys. And if and else and if and else part is also for with and for statement with if and else if statement also it has been replaced, guys. So these Python experts uses this comprehension very frequently, guys. Very frequently, guys. Generally, we don't use it, guys, because in data science level, we don't want to use it. But whenever you are writing multiple if statements, whenever they are writing multiple for statements, better to use this kind of a techniques, what we have to work with them, guys. So no need to worry about all these things, guys. Just for a small timing, which I have just discussed about this particular applications, what we have to do, guys. Normally in other languages, we used to write it now, guys. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. For j equal to I less than or equal, for j equal to 1, I less than or equal to j. We'll write like this now, guys. So instead of writing all these things, generally we can go for the first statement, guys. So this is the basic understanding about the comprehensions topic. So one small suggestion, guys, don't think that we have to learn a complete Python. You need not to be completely an expertise in Python, guys. Very, very basic level of Python. Clearly, I'm saying that if anybody asks me, sir, are you a Python expert? No, guys, I was not a Python expert. You don't believe that. That means I don't say that. I don't know how to clearly and confidently create a class in Python, guys. I'm clearly saying, guys, I don't know. I know how to create it, but confidently I can't create it, guys. Still, I have some doubts. While creating, I'll do some kind of a mistakes because I never created a class in the Python, guys. I created, but I never used it regularly. So we don't require it. So what is a class creation? All these things we don't require it, Albas. Very basic level of Python. I told you, no, guys, 6, 7 topics are there. Hardly 7 or 8 topics are there, guys. We already covered some 3 or 4 topics. We already covered, guys. Basic types, guys. What are the basic sequences? List, sets, dictionaries, tuples, and the object, guys. Dictionaries objects. And then we started with conditional statement, control statements. And today, whatever we have discussed is nothing but the comprehensions. Comprehensions are nothing but replacement of the first statements and if statements replacement only is what we call it as comprehensions, guys. Okay. Anyone, guys, any questions here? I'm going to start a small new topic I'm going to start with today, guys. So anyone, any discussions or any doubts regarding the per if statement or conditional control statements, guys? If you have any doubt, just if you want to clarify, guys, I'll go ahead with the next concept, guys. Okay. So the next concept is that is not that much important, guys, but it is a quite interesting topic, guys. It's not important, that much important was not there, but it's a little bit quite interesting topic, guys. It is nothing but it is a string class, guys. So basically, a small point, guys, in Python, everything is going to be a class only, guys. Integer is a class, float is a class, string is a class. Everything is going to be class only, guys. Even list is a class. Everything is going to be class, guys. Here, there is some small speciality for the what we can say about the string class, guys. So already I have done some basic topics, guys. I already discussed about what are the, because every class is associated with some kind of a method. Just now, today we have seen, no, guys, just now we have seen who has missed the classes, guys. Y dot append. What is this append concept, guys? Y is a list. So whenever you want to append any value to that particular list, we have to use this kind of a method, guys. List is containing somewhere around 10 methods are there, guys. Append, insert, clear, copy, okay, insert, which is going to be clear, count, okay, pop, remove, etc. Just there are some around 10 methods are there, guys. So it is only just a matter of 10 methods. Tuple is having only 2 methods, guys. Dictionaries are also having a very few methods. But string class is having a lot of methods are there, guys. Generally, whatever the string related operations we do generally, sometimes it is required, guys. But I'm going to take, because there are approximately in string class, we are having almost all 40 plus methods are there, guys. That means you are having 40 plus different types of manipulations with the string object, what we can do, guys. Though there are not that much important for us, I'm going to discuss these particular examples, guys. Hardly it will take 2 or 3 days, it will take it, guys, not more than that. So maximum today and tomorrow, I'll finish off it, guys. It won't take that much time. Very, very simple methods only, but quite interesting, guys. Okay. So that's why one by one, I'll tell you, guys. String is a class. String is a class, guys. Whenever I say s is equal to, for example, guys, I assign some string like, well, let us say that welcome to Python training. Whenever I said welcome to Python training, what is going to happen is internally, guys, it is going to create an object s from a class called as a string class. Whatever the methods that are associated with the string class, automatically they will be assigned or they will be inherited to this s object. S is an object here, guys. S is an object of a class called as a string class. So automatically we can perform lot of operations, guys. See there, guys, there are simple methods are there. First of all, I'm talking about the methods which are related to converting of the case. That means we know that case conversion. If you want to convert this into uppercase, it is going to be s dot upper. So what is this s dot upper will do, guys? It is going to returns. Don't expect that directly s will be modified to uppercase, guys. What it is going to returns, guys? It is going to returns the which is going to be uppercase of s. Try to understand, guys. Uppercase of s. That means s will not be modified, guys. Your s value will be converted into uppercase and returns the output, guys. That is what we are going to call it as, which is going to be the upper method, what we are going to call it as, guys. Okay. Yes, almost all we'll discuss, but not all of them, because 40 plus methods are there. And I said that no, you don't require to learn all the methods, because it is initially, it is going to be the first, because it is going to be initially, we are in the very basic level. So I'm going to discuss about whatever all the possibilities, because 40 plus methods are there. Maximum 80% I'll cover them. Remaining, you can learn those particular case, what we can work with these particular applications. Okay. So see this, quickly I'll update them, guys. It is going to be upper, it is going to convert into uppercase, guys. We are having lower, guys, which is going to returns the, which is going to be the lower case of, which is going to be s, guys. It is going to returns the lower case of s, guys. That means total s, whatever the string is there, it will be converted into lower case and returns the output. Your s will not be changes, guys. S will be as it is, whatever the case you are given, the same case. It is going to be title case. What is title case, guys? What is the title case, guys? Title case means nothing but it is going to be first character. Title means, guys, first character of a word, of each word, guys. The first character of each word to uppercase, guys, and the remaining is going to be lowercase, guys. What is remaining, guys? Except the first characters, remaining will be converted into lowercase, guys. I'll show you, guys. Remaining will be converted into lowercase. That is what we are going to call it as a title case, what we are going to call it as, guys. We are
Can we
having,
use capitalize there?
yes, we are discussing. I'm discussing. There is going to be something called as an capitalize. What is the difference between title and capitalize means? Title will convert the first character of each word, but capitalize will convert only the first character of your string. Got the difference? Only the first character. For example, welcome to Python training. Title case will convert W into capital case, T into capital case, P into capital case, T into capital case. Capitalize means only the W, remaining will be lowercase. It is going to be nothing but first character of the total string, guys. The first character of the string to capital case, of the string to capital case, and the remaining to lowercase, guys. Remaining whatever the characters are there, the remaining is going to be converted to, which is going to be the lowercase, guys. And we have a one more is there, guys. Okay, why should I convert into uppercase? Why should I convert into lowercase? Or why should I convert into title case? Why should I convert into capitalize? Fine, guys. But nobody knows about why the Python has given this method, guys. It is nothing but swap case. So generally, I never find the usage of this one, guys. For example, if I return the welcome like this, guys, let us say, guys, W capital E capital, L capital, guys, C lowercase, O lowercase, guys, M in the lowercase, and E in the capital case. Swapping the case means nothing but, guys, what is capital case, guys? Total string is going to be gets converted into capital case. What is lowercase, guys? Every character will be converted into lowercase, guys. What is title case, guys? First character will be converted into capital case, remaining in the lower case. But what is this swap case is nothing but, guys, if the character is in capital case, it will convert into lower case, guys. If the character is in capital case, again it will convert into lower case. If it is capital case, it is lower case. If it is lower case, it is capital case. If it is lower case, it is capital case. It is lower case, it is capital case. If it is capital case, it is lower case, guys. Swapping the case, guys. So what is swapping of the case is going to do, guys? It is going to be uppercase is converted to uppercase to lowercase conversion, guys. Uppercase to lowercase conversion, guys. And which is going to be vice versa, guys. That means lowercase will be converted into capital case and the lower capital case are going to be converted into the lowercase case. It is going to be what we call it as vice versa. So opposite of that it will be done. These are all the functions or the methods which is mainly related to converting of the case, guys. 5 methods are there: upper, lower, title, capitalize, swap. These are going to be totally the 5 methods what we can use in, guys. So quickly, guys, it won't take that much time for us because all these are generic concept, guys. What is uppercase? Nobody asks. Generally, I need not explain and nobody ask me, guys. For example, take a string, guys. S is equal to, give some mixed case, guys. Don't give all the data in the same case, guys. Mixed case. WELCOME. Mixed case, guys. TO, which is going to be, let us say, PHY or PY. THON. Python, which is going to be TRA. It is going to be NI, which is going to be NG. Let us just a simple example, guys. See, guys, I'm printing all the values, guys. Print. It is going to be S dot upper. What is meaning of S dot upper, guys? The string is going to be gets converted into uppercase, guys. But one thing, guys, S will not be modified, guys. If you print the S value, don't expect that it is going to be S value will be changes, guys. S value does not changes at all, guys. S value isn't does not changes at all. And anyhow, don't worry, the guys who has joined lately, thus this particular string is an immutable object, guys. Immutable means we cannot modify them. Your S object does not modify, guys. But if you want, we can convert that S into uppercase and return the output. But your S value does not changes. Your S value remains as it is in the mixed case only, guys. You see there, whatever the input you given, it is remaining the same. Yes, whenever I said S dot upper, is it converting? Yes, it's converting. It's converting and returning the output, guys. But your S value does not changes. They are not going to be any in place operations, guys. So I'll show you, guys. This is going to be uppercase, guys. Next, simple, it is going to be print S dot, which is going to be lowercase, guys. I'll show all at a time, guys. Print S dot, which is going to be, I said, which is going to be title case. Title means every word first character will be converted into uppercase, guys. Remaining will be converted into lowercase, guys. S dot, which is going to be capitalized, guys. See, guys, I'm not wasting my time in printing them, guys. I'm typing them. Capitalize. Actually, spelling is a little bit confusion, guys. I can write it. It is going to be capitalized. But sometimes there is a chances that mistake may come. Sometimes. That's why what I'm going to do, guys. CAP, tab space. Automatically, it will tell you, guys. It will help you. IntelliSense. A code completion, what we call it as. Enter. Automatically, it is going to take it, guys. No input from you, guys. Which is going to be print finally S dot, which is going to be swap case, guys. It is going to be S dot, which is going to be swap case, guys. So first one will display the complete welcome to Python training in capital case. Second one will display the complete string in the lower case, guys. The third one will display W capital, T capital, P capital, T capital remaining in the lower case. Capitalize will display the W in the capital case, remaining in the lower case. And swap case is nothing but completely swapping case, guys. W is in lower case. Output W will come in capital case. ELC is in capital case, guys. ELCO is also in capital case. Here ELCO will come in the lower case, guys. M in the lower case, M in the capital case. Completely, it is going to be swapping the case, guys. See, guys? This is uppercase, lowercase, title case, W, P, T, T, capital case. Remaining are completely converted into lowercase, guys. Next one. Only W capital, even T, TO2, PYTHVN, PYTHON, P lowercase, and training also everything in lowercase, guys. Only W will be capital case. What is swapping of the case, guys? See there, WELC, they are in the, what is the going to be capital case. Now they have been converted into case, guys. See there, W capital case, ELC, EL has been converted here, guys. It is L in the lower case, C is in capital case, here C is in the lower case, M is in the lower case, M is in the capital case, E is in the capital case, E is in the lower case, guys. T lower, O capital, but here T capital, O lower, guys. Complete swapping the case. So these are all going to be some of the, what we can say about the converting the strings from one case to another case. Upper, lower, init cap, title, and what we can call it as swapping the case, what we call it as, guys. Like that. I told you, no, guys, 40 plus functions are there. 40 plus methods are there, guys. Already we covered 5 methods, guys. Still, there are some more methods are there, guys. Quickly, I'll tell you. Just it won't take that much time, guys. So these are also related to the same case, but something different, guys. That means I want to check is S is in uppercase or lowercase or it is in a title case, guys. S is equal to, I have given welcome, guys. Welcome I have given, but I want to test whether it is in uppercase, whether it is in lowercase, whether it is in title case. So there is a method called as, observe carefully, guys, is upper. It is going to be is upper. S dot. S means your object, guys. If it S or X or Y, whatever it may be. S dot, which is going to be is lower. So if your object is not S, guys, your string is not S, your string is A. If A is A equal to welcome, obviously we all of you know that, guys. You have to say A dot is upper, we have to say. With reference to that object only, we have to use it, guys. Every time it is not S or every time it is not A. And apart from that, S dot, we are having something called as is, which is going to be title, guys. So I think I need not to tell you much about this, guys. They will return true or false. True or false, depending on the whatever the case you have given, guys. If the string is in uppercase, is upper will return true. If the string is in lowercase, is lower will return true. And you know what is the title case, guys? First character capital case, remaining lowercase for every word. Then only it is what we call it as a is title case, what we can call it as. Check it out once carefully, guys. I'm writing some string, guys. A equal to whatever it may be, guys. A equal to, for example, I said welcome, for example, guys. Otherwise, I'll write capital case welcome, guys. Now I want to check whether A is in uppercase or not. A dot is upper, you have to say, guys. It is going to be is upper. Don't say A dot upper. It will convert into uppercase. Is dot, I'm asking, is the A is in uppercase? Is the A is going to be lowercase? A dot is lower. And after that, we are having, which is going to be A dot, which is going to be, we are having something called as, it is going to be is, what shall I say, guys? Is title. So whether it is capital, sorry, is upper, is lower, is title, guys. So I think all of you can easily understand it, guys. I given welcome in capital case completely, guys. So is upper will become true and is lower and is title will become false, guys. Why? Because it is not in lower case, it is not in capital case. So it is not in what we can say that it is not in title case. Same example, guys. If I write something like welcome in the lower case, guys. If I write the welcome in the lower case, now you know what will happen, guys. Is lower will become true, guys. Remaining two will become false, guys. First one and third one will become false. For example, if I said, for example, if I said, let us say that W capital here, let us say, just let us say, otherwise we'll write another string. Every time, no need to write the same thing. It is going to be hello world, guys. If you see the hello world, guys, it is not in uppercase. So is upper is false. Is lower is also false, guys, because complete string is not in lower case. Even it is not in the title case, guys. What is meaning of title case? H should be capital, W should be capital, guys, but only H is capital. So output is going to be all the three are going to be false only, guys. If you want to make it true for that particular is title, guys, put the W in the capital case, guys, execute. We are going to get the output like this, guys. See there? First two are becoming false, guys, and the next one is becoming true, guys. And I think already I told you, no, guys, maybe. So whenever you want to know what are the different methods are there, you need not to by heart anything, and I can't hide anything from you, guys. Simply if you said s dot, guys, automatically all the methods will appear pop up here, guys. All of them will appear here, guys, starting with which is going to be starting with the alphabet. I think first one is going to be count, I think so, guys. It is going to be starts with which is going to be capitalize, case fold, center, count, encode. Alphabetically it will be there, guys. So today what are the methods we have discussed? See, once starting with is, how many are there? Observe carefully, guys. Is alnum, is alpha, is ASCII, is decimal, is digit, is identifier, is lower we have discussed, is numeric, is printable, is it is a space, it is a title case, is an uppercase. I covered only three is, guys. Is upper, is lower, and is title. And apart from that, there are so many are there, guys. What are the other methods we discussed it, guys, as of the today's class? It is going to be nothing but swap case is one concept we discussed. Title is going to be one concept we discussed, guys, and upper function what we discussed. See, guys, if you want, we can count it. Almost all there are going to be somewhere around 40 plus methods are available here, guys. We learned each and every one method, guys. We started with capitalize only. You can see the capitalize, guys, and ending with something called as a Z fill. I'll tell you one by one, one by one. Today we covered totally 8 methods we have been covered, guys. So not mandatory. As I said that these are all, we are not going to use that much, guys. But being there are number of methods are more, we'll see each and every method, guys, for 2 days or hardly 3 days will work. And after that, we can just leave this particular concept. I'll use, guys. I'm not saying that we never use this, but out of them, maybe 3 or 4 methods only we are going to use it, guys. But just to make you understand. So if you see, if I, for example, there are 10 methods are there. If I teach at least 6 or 7 methods, okay, you are satisfied. Why? Because out of the 10, okay, 7 methods Vamsi has thought, okay, 70% he has covered. But out of the 40 methods, if I discuss only 3 or 4 methods, generally what you may think about is, sir, you are leaving some concepts here. So what about this method? So though it is not that much important for us, let us spare another 1 or 2 days of time, guys. We'll get to know about some concepts about regarding the string methods. If anytime you want to use it, guys, we can able to use it, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is about that particular today's class, guys. So I'll share this file. Just you can wait for a 2 minutes of time. I'll share you this particular file, guys. And tomorrow we'll continue with this particular string class, guys. And I think all of you have attended most of the demos, guys. And even I have shared the demo sessions also, guys. If anybody wants, once again, I'll share the demo videos once again, guys. Just give me a second. So who has missed the initial demo classes, guys? All these are very basic demo classes, guys. Nothing practicals has been got started, guys. So once again, I shared it, guys, who has been missed those particular classes. So if I just click on the link, make a note of this link, guys, copy the link and save the link. Just if you click on the link, guys, sufficient. It will directly navigate to YouTube. In that, there are 4 demo videos are there, guys. You can just go through that particular 4 demo videos, guys. Hardly see, guys, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 59 minutes, 56 minutes. Just hardly it is going to be 2 hours class, guys, or maybe 3 hours class. So 1 hour it was, or hardly 4 hours classes, guys, maybe. So just go through them. Okay, if you want, we can go through them. And almost all, I think you have attended 1 or 2 demo classes, guys. So maybe, as I already told you, guys, already some people has already registered for the course. So remaining guys also, so complete your registration as soon as possible. You can get the access to the drive. And apart from that, we also get the recording videos. What are the previous classes you have missed? That also we can start learning, guys. So maybe I was not sure about that, guys. Maybe demos, I think my backend team has informed that the demos are completed. So maybe they will change the link for the tomorrow's class, guys. From tomorrow, they will change the link. So if you want to just continue from the tomorrow's classes, guys, please complete off your registration. So, and I also given the 4 recording videos also. You can go through the recording videos. Maybe you have attended 1 or 2 couple of live classes also you have been attended. So you understood my way of teaching, how I am discussing about those examples also. you understood that. So whether what is the way I'm teaching, that is what we have to understand in the demo sessions. And of course, curriculums and all these things I will be sharing with you guys. So just if you are ahead, that means if you decided to go ahead with the course, guys, with that particular training program, please complete off your registration. Maybe guys, tomorrow there will be a change in the link. Everyone, please update, check your email before logging in, check it out. If you got a new link, guys, please join with the new link. If it is not there, just go for the old link, guys. Okay. So check your mail. If you have any new link is coming in your mail, please join with the new link, guys. Otherwise, you can log in with the old mail only. If you have any issues, guys, please you can reach me out, guys. I'm already once again I'm giving my contact number. So it is 8008077717, guys. If you want, otherwise you can also reach on my mail ID also, guys. So I'm just sharing my email ID and my contact number, guys. If you have any issue with the tomorrow's link, guys, please reach me out. You can reach me on my WhatsApp number or in my email ID. So before the class, guys, last minute you don't send me the, sir, I didn't receive the link, I done the payment. So I cannot entertain that because I don't, once the class is started, I can't open my mails and I cannot check it out. Before 10 minutes only, check it out, guys. If there is any change in the link, we can do that. Yes, Carlos, I will create the group chat also, will create it because students are still joining, right? So once we close the batch, then I can create one Telegram group also, I'll create it. Okay, fine, guys. That's it, guys. That's it for the today's class. So tomorrow we'll continue at the same time, guys. If there is a new link was there, please join with the new link, or else you can join with the same old link, guys. But anyhow, who has already completed registration, okay, you can just ignore it, guys. So who has not yet completed the registration, please complete your registration and you can start your learning, guys. Okay, anyhow, in the coming week we have the holidays. You can complete off all that recording videos and all these things, you can complete off it, guys. And by the next week we can just, you can continue with our regular classes, you can continue, guys. Okay,
Can you
so
share the link
yes,
for the syllabus?
yes, once again, do you want a, yes, somebody?
Syllabus.
Oh, syllabus. Okay, I'll share that. I'll just give me a second. I'll share it in the chat. Just give me a second. Yes, I'm just sharing the Excel sheet there. So you can download that Excel sheet in the chat window, please. I will share the today's class also, guys. The IPVNB file. Please download that IPVNB file also. You can download it, guys. It is today 8/10, right? It is going to be, this is the class. Okay. So I shared the IPVNB file also, guys. So how to open this IPVNB file, guys? You cannot directly open the IPVNB file directly, guys. You have to install your Jupyter notebook and go to your Jupyter notebook, guys. You will download that particular file now, guys. Simply what you have to do, guys, click on upload, select the file and just click on open, guys. File will appear here and then you can open the file, guys. That is the way we have to open the files. Okay, fine. Anyone, guys, any questions? Any doubts? Any questions, guys?
So you said about the tab space, is it a shortcut or what?
Yeah, it's a shortcut. It's a shortcut. Just if you said which one S, where you are talking about the tab space?
Yeah, in Jupyter Notebook that if you give tab space, it's showing the methods, no?
Okay. It is S dot, press the tab.
Yeah.
It is shortcut key. It's a tab is going to be a shortcut key, which is going to be what we call it as a code completion, what we call it as. So it is going to be coming all of them, right? See, S dot, for example, CAP, just press the tab key. It is going to pop up there, say enter, it will just complete of it. It's an IntelliSense, what we generally call it as, or a code completion, what we are going to call it as. It's a shortcut key. If you press the tab, it is going to be code completion will takes place.
Oh, okay.
Okay, fine. Right. Any others, guys? Any questions? Right. Vipin, it will take some time. For how many classes machine learning will start means still we are in the basics of Python. Python should be completed, then NumPy, then Pandas, then Matplotlib, and then machine learning will start, Vipin. It will take more than almost all 1.5 months. It will take it. Because this will be 15 days. That will be again NumPy will be 5 days. Pandas will be of almost all 20 days. Then another 10 days for this data visualization. Then machine learning will start. But whatever we are discussing about NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, All these are the prerequisites of machine learning. They are not part of Python. So if you want to learn machine learning, we have to learn those libraries. Okay. Fine. Guys.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Thank you, guys. Okay. Any more questions, guys? Anyone? Okay, then. So just for today, we'll end up the session here, guys, and we'll meet up in the tomorrow's class. Thanks all of you for today. We'll meet
One
in the
question.
tomorrow's class, guys.
One
Yes.
question.
Yes, Srinivas.
What about the statistics?
Statistics and all these things will be there as part of our training program. So separate statistics classes will not be there. Whenever we are discussing about the respective topic, whatever the maths or whatever the stats that is required will be dealt along with that particular topic only. Wherever you require, there only we are going to teach you all the maths and stats related concepts.
Okay.
Okay, there is no separate classes are not required. For example, when you are starting with decision tree requires something called as a math statistical number called as an entropy. So what is that entropy and all these topic I will discuss at the time of discussing about the what we can call it as a decision tree algorithm when I start with the machine learning. Whenever I started with basic analytics, we do some kind of an descriptive statistics we are going to do. Mean, max, all these things generally we know. What is standard deviation? What is quantiles? What is IQR? These topics I'm going to discuss generally whenever I do the basic statistical analysis, what we are doing there.
Okay.
Okay, fine. That's it. Okay, guys, that's it for the today's class. Just for today, I'll stop it here. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. Thanks all of you for today.